Introducing a new product developed through technological collaboration between SN International, Korea's leading laundry business total consulting company, and Yamamoto Manufacturing Co Ltd.의, a leading industrial laundry equipment manufacturer in Japan. Yamamoto's artisan spirit in durable hardware combined with user-customized software developed by SN International. Equipped with RGB LED lamps for easy monitoring of each machine's process and status during the operation of multiple units. Develop touchscreen that is easy for anyone to see and use. High-speed dehydration realized by installing springs on top of the washer and shock absorbers at the bottom. All major parts in contact with water are made of stainless steel for exceptional durability. The product is a culmination of both companies' technological expertise, resulting in the best equipment. SN International always puts customers first. Continuously striving in research and development to enrich customers' lives without stopping. Aiming to be the global #1 laundry equipment manufacturer beyond Korea. SN International.